Never ever give someone else the ability, the power, or the comfort to disrespect you. Hi guys, my name is Vishali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about that why setting boundaries for your own peace is so important. Let's get into the video. We are all going to talk about setting boundaries and why it is so important. See, if you never learn to say no, people will come to you, people will use you, people will disrespect you, and you won't get anything in return except the disrespect. Because people are so selfish in this generation, in this world, that they will use you as much as they want and they will throw you away. They won't even acknowledge you, they won't acknowledge your presence, your time, your energy, nothing. They will only use you and they will disrespect you, and they won't acknowledge you that this person did this for me. No, they don't care. They don't care about your feeling, they don't care about your health, they don't care about anything. All they care about is themselves. So it is normal if you care only about yourself. Setting boundaries, saying no isn't selfish at all. If you are choosing your own peace for your own self, how will be it selfish? Like how? You are the person who can make yourself happy, you are the person who can achieve your dreams, you are the reason that you are living this life. Then how come if you are choosing yourself over anything is selfish? Choosing your happiness, your health, your peace is not selfish, because this is why you are here on this earth, to live your life, to live happily ever after, to have a healthy body, to live with peace in your mind. So for that, if you have to say no, you go for it. You are not being selfish, you are choosing yourself. This is called self love. And if someone else is calling you selfish, this is because they are not able to use you, they are not able to use your energy, time, and whatever you have, they want to use. They are not able to use you. This is why they are telling you that you are a selfish person, but you are not. Do not let that person opinion affect you, because you are not selfish. Choosing yourself is never selfish. It's called self love, and self love comes first. It is the most important thing. Self love equals to self growth, and your self growth is very important. No matter what people say, no matter what they call you, no matter what they say about you, all you should care about is yourself. All you should care about is your happiness, because at the end, this is all what matter. Your peace matter, your happiness matter, your good health matter. Other people's opinion doesn't matter, and they shouldn't be matter at all. Only your happiness matter. You will realize time by time, people after using you, like people after using, they get everything whatever they wanted from you, and they will act like that you don't even exist to them. You know that somewhere, that there are certain people who use you, get whatever they wanted from you, use your energy, your time, your money, whatever you had, and they acted like that you don't even exist to them. So do you still really feel that if I said no to someone, like that person again would be selfish? You are not a main character in anyone else's story. You are the main character in your own life. And if you didn't act like this, that you didn't act like that your happiness matter, and you didn't work for your happiness, your health, your peace, and you always try to give other people, and you are only giving, you will only become the side character, and your life won't even exist. When you stay available for people, when you are always there for anyone who needs you, when you are ready to do everything for everyone, people will realize that this person has nothing to do. They won't see you the positive side that you are trying to do for them. They won't see that positive side that this person is very loving and very kind. Now they'll be like, "Mm, she does she has nothing to do, why she is always asking me and whatever XYZ." No, they won't say, wow, like Prashali is a great person and she's doing this for me. No, they'll be like, she has nothing to do. And by giving other people time, your energy, your money, everything, and not investing these precious things for you, you are disrespecting yourself. And if you are disrespecting yourself, you are telling other people also that I don't even respect myself, then why you should? You can also disrespect me. You are acting like this, that I don't have zero respect for myself inside me, then or and you can also disrespect me. People will realize that this person has nothing to do, and she doesn't know her potential anything, so why we should care about that? They'll be act like that. Not even as a joke, not even as a joke. Never let anyone make fun of you. Never. Never. You don't like it, that's it. End of the story. If you didn't like it, you can leave. Literally, you can leave. You can leave. No, as a joke, it was just for fun. No, I didn't like it and it was not fun for me. Please, you can leave. That's it. These type of people are really mean. They will be like, oh, we were just being sarcastic. No, bro. No. No. You were testing my patience. You were testing me that how I would react by disrespecting me. And you are calling it sarcasm? You are being sarcastic? No. No. I don't like it and you can leave. Or either I leave. I don't care. You don't exist for me. That's it. End of the story. There are very few people in this world who only will, respect you genuinely. Genuinely. This is why they say, quality over quantity. This is why they say this, because there are very few people who genuinely, like literally genuinely from their heart, respect you. Otherwise, everyone make fun of you, everyone try to disrespect you, everyone try to put you down, everyone will try to drain you. They can be nice on your face, but they will, if they get chance, they will stab you. So you should never let these people give even a small chance to disrespect you. You set your boundaries, you say no, you choose your happiness, and you stay happy and stay away as far as you can from these sarcastic peoples. Accept yourself the way you are. You see, everyone has their own unique identity, unique face, unique body, unique hair, unique way to walk, unique way to talk. Everyone is not similar. Accept yourself the way you are. If someone is trying to put you down, someone is trying to disrespect you, the way you look, the way you talk, the way you eat, the way you walk, do not listen to these people and do not let them disrespect you, because their judgment doesn't describe you. You are so much better than these people's opinion. So much better. You are perfect, literally perfect the way you are. And you should not let these people judge you or disrespect you and try to, manipulate you and try to change you and try to put you down. Do not let these people do that, because you are so perfect. so perfect. And yeah guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. I will come back tomorrow with something new, with something more interesting. Till then, take care. Bye. I love you. Bye.